Hello everyone, it's me again, Therese, and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will teach you on how you can create an out-of-bound effect using Canva, like this example you're seeing on the screen. So let me show you how it's done. Let's create a blank page here, like social media templates. You can choose Facebook or Instagram post. Okay. The first thing you want to do is to drag an image here in this blank page. You can choose image from here or you can upload your own image, right? So let's choose image from Canva. Okay, I will choose this one. Then you can adjust the image and place it on the top or wherever you want. Okay, I will choose in the center. Then duplicate this one because we will be needing the same image without background later. Okay, next is to go to elements and look for frame. You can choose frames from here, but I will choose the round frame. Okay, you can drag it there. You can make it smaller, and then you can position it backwards. Then you can put the image on the frame. Adjust the image, and there you go. So this one, let's remove the background. Go to effects and background remover. So if you're using Canva free, you cannot access the background remover here. And what you can do is to use my link in the description below to try the 30 days free trial if you want, or you can watch this video. This video is all about free online background remover application. Next is to drag this image here, but first let's lock this one so the image will stay on the frame. So let's drag this one in here. Next you need to do is to adjust the image the same size with the image on the frame. Okay, so just adjust the image. I think this one is okay. So remember, when you first put the image on the screen, you put it in the center. So the next time you drag the image without background, you can also put it on the middle and the center, so it will fit, or it will go exactly like the size of the image on the frame. Okay, so I think this one is good. Just crop this one. Okay, and there you go. You have now the out of bound effect here in your design. And let's unlock this one so you can group it. You can select all the image and then click group so you can adjust where you want to put this image. Okay, so let's make it big and then you can put it on the center. Okay, you can even change the background to your brand color. You can use your brand color. Say for example, since the background is blue, let's use this one. Yeah, that is okay. Let's duplicate this one so we can change other background color. Okay, and you can select, or you can insert elements from there to make it beautiful, more beautiful. Let's say abstract pattern or abstract only. So like this one, let's go to graphics. Okay, you can choose this one, then you can make it a little bit big, right? You can change the color. Okay, where is the color? This one. Let's change this one to this, and then this one to this, then this one to this. Okay, and then position it backwards. So, and then let's make it a little bit down. So it's pretty, right? It's beautiful. Okay, then this one, let's go for like yellow, like this one. Yeah, yellow. And then you can choose again elements. You can choose from here. There's a lot of elements here that you can use. So let's just use this one, simple one, and go for like green. Okay, and then position it backwards. So yan guys, there you go guys, you have now an out of bound effect on your design. You can use this design on your social media profile picture, on your YouTube profile picture. Okay, I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and then if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell para ma-notify ka in my next video. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.